The idea is to add a gradient background design to a slide. On top of that, to add text, and on top of that, to add animation to the text. All this will be done with PC, with Windows 11, using PowerPoint from Office 365. So there's one that's finished here, so I'll go ahead, I'll show you how that will look in presenter mode to the viewers. And that's how it looks to viewers. And we will start creating now. I brought in a blank new slide. To do that, I left clicked on insert, new slide, left click on the down arrow, and blank, left click on that. To get rid of that, I will select it by left clicking, then press delete on the keyboard. Now going back up to select the new slide, going up to design to put the gradient background, going to the right side of the ribbon to format background, give several options. I'm going to left click on gradient fill, radial. I'm going to choose the direction being this far left option. Gradient stops. You'll see that this particular stop is actually for the bottom right, even though it's on the left side. In the option, the control center, I'll say, they pretty much go the opposite direction when you're in the stops. So I think I'm going to leave it about like this. If I wanted to get rid of one, I could just left click to choose which stop I want to get rid of. One way to get rid of it is to left click on the X icon, and that will get rid of that. To add it back, I can just left click wherever I want it. And now I want to change the color back to the previous color so that rich color is back. So here is a good foundation point for me with the gradient. I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to insert text. To do so, I'll go up to insert, left click, going to add a text box. So I want to go across the ribbon to about the middle of the ribbon, left click on text box. That'll add an upside down cross to my yellow circle, left click and hold. Now I'm going to add the words happy day. I'm going to center the words happy day. If I hover in the paragraph section over the second option, I'll see the shortcut keys, Control E to center it. But I'm just going to go ahead and left click on the second option. That'll center it. I'm going to triple click to choose both words. Then I'm going up to the font box, left click on the B for bold. Then I'm going up to the font sizes, left click on the bottom arrow or the down arrow. That'll show the different font sizes, and hovering over each one will show how they appear in the presentation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own. I'm going to put 100 in and then enter to lock it in. And there's my 100 font size. To center it, I'm going to keep it selected as is. I'm going to left click on shape format in the menu. I'm going to align towards the right end of the ribbon. Left click on the down arrow. Align center, back to align middle. That centers it both vertically and horizontally on the slide. Now I'm going to add animations. Left click on animations in the menu. The stars are all green right now because Happy Day is selected. If I left click anywhere outside the text box, I've now deselected and the options are now no longer green, showing they are no longer available because PowerPoint needs to know that I have selected the correct thing for the animations. So I'll triple click. The green is now back. I'm going to choose wipe. The effect options, I'm going to left click on the arrow for some options. I'm going to choose from left. This shows you how it will play out. This box shows you that the animation process has begun. I'm going now to the trigger. On click of text box, now it shows a lightning bolt. I'm going up to animation pane. I see that Happy Day has an assigned animation. Now we'll see how it looks in presentation mode. And this down here, the screen at the bottom, when you click on this bottom screen, it'll present from whichever slide is selected. So if you have 13 slides up and you have the 7th slide selected, that's where it'll present from. So right now I have the first one selected, so it's presenting from the first one. So I'm going to left click. I see that we have an arrow, and now I see that we have a hand. When it changes to a hand, that's where the animation is affected. So if I click where the hand shows up, that's when it'll function as it should. I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and feel free to ask any questions down below.